Everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to be walking you through how to link Wisecard to Samsung Wallet in 2025. The first thing you need to do is launch the Samsung Wallet app from your home screen or app drawer. Then on the main screen, tap the plus, that is the add button, or the add card option. Next, you have to select the payment cards, that is, choose payment cards, not loyalty or membership cards option. Choose, that is, select payment cards. Next, if Wise is listed under partner banks, select it. If not, tap add manually and enter your Wise card details, which is a 16-digit number and the expiring date with a CVV. Once you throw it out, you have to verify with Wise if it is required. You may need to open the Wise app to approve the linking request, and you can also confirm via SMS or email OTP if prompted. Once you followed all the steps and follow any final on-screen instructions in Samsung Wallet, your Wise card will now be ready for contactless payments. Here's a pro tip. Ensure that your Wise app is updated before linking to avoid errors. This is based on the latest Samsung Wallet and Wise app UI as of mid-2025. It works for both Wise debit and virtual cards, and the steps has been confirmed for global users. There is no region-locked feature. Drop a comment if it worked and subscribe for more tech guides.